Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos more interesting using the fake theme to your food photos in CapCut. So in here, I have a picture of ramen added to CapCut, and I want to make it looks more appetizing by using the fake steam effect. So what you need to do is just go to effect, video effects. Now find the nature category, swipe it. Okay, this one, sorry. And after that, just select the steam effect. Let's scroll down until, okay, this one. Click on the effect. Now, as you guys can see here, the steam effect will be added. Here you can adjust it to make it looks more natural. You can also adjust the speed. Here the steam will be shown, will come up. So I'm going to enlarge the picture like this, and this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.